Waves and wave motion. Examples of wave motion. What is wave motion first of all? Wave motion is a type of propagation that how the sound wave travels. The sound wave travels in waves. So this is how the waves travel, how the waves propagate in a material medium, and the material medium can be solid, liquid, or gas. So there are some examples of wave motion. Water ripples. A pebble creates concentric circles of disturbance on the water surface. So when you have thrown a pebble inside the water, then this pebble creates the disturbance at the surface of the water, and the particles of the water surface keeps on vibrating. That's why they are going to make the concentric circles. So this is an example of wave motion. As the particles not move itself, they are transferring their disturbance to the adjacent particles. Next example is wave on a string. Moving one end of a taut string up and down creates a travels along the string. What does it mean? This is a wave. This is a string. And in the second part, what we have done, we have moved the string subtly upwards, and it will goes like this. This vibration goes on the further string. So what does it means? The particles of this string which has a vibration will going to transfer it to the another part. It will become like this. So this is going on in a string until here. So this is also an example of wave motion. Next is the propagation of waves. How waves propagated. So waves are disturbances moving through a medium, setting particles into motion, because the particles get into motion and transfer the energy to the adjacent molecules or adjacent particles. So how can we define a wave? It is a type of disturbance that travels through a medium, because it requires a medium caused by repeated vibratory motion of the particles. What particles do? The particles vibrate at their mean position and causes the disturbance or transferring the energy to the another particle. And this phenomena goes on, hence the wave becomes. So wave motion. In wave motion, what is the characteristic of wave motion? The energy is transferred in wave motion. Waves transfer energy and momentum but does not mass or matter, because the particles are not changing their position by themselves. Wave motion, the movement of energy through a medium in the form of a wave. Because we know that energy is transferring from one particle to another particle and it requires a medium. So we can say that energy is transferring through a medium in the form of wave. Next is particle vibration. Medium particles vibrate periodically around their equilibrium positions. As we have discussed, the particle moves to and fro. That means the particles of medium also vibrate periodically, because as the sound wave travel, it requires a medium also has some particles, so the energy of sound will be transferred to the medium particles and they will start vibrate periodically around their equilibrium position. Energy transfer, particle transfer energy to neighboring particles without moving themselves. Already we have discussed that in wave propagation, the particles are not moving by themselves, they transfer energy to the neighboring particles. Next is mass transfer. There is no any transfer of mass or matter occurs, only energy, or we can say that disturbance spreads through the medium.